All right, Micromod dude coming at you again with a special unboxing of my new XFX Radeon RX580 8GB GDDR5 edition. Gaming certified by XFX Labs GTS. Super style. Yeah, it's finally time for me to upgrade my video card after about 1,000 years, which I'm actually using one of my brother's video cards. I'm using NVIDIA 660 Ti, really old school. And basically I started doing some kind of video editing AI enhancements that said, nope, your old video card doesn't work. So we're gonna upgrade to this bad boy. I like this one here because it's decent priced, about 120-ish. I actually got about 10 bucks off on Best Buy. As you can see here, this is from Best Buys. And we're gonna open this bad boy up, but it was real quick though. As a quick side note, I originally ordered this thing here from Amazon. Look at this thing here, Han Solo high-end graphics card. It's actually also a RX580 8GB DDR5, supposedly wannabe XFX model here, but I was reading through a bunch of the reviews, and it looks like this sucker is smoking people's PC gaming consoles. And nope, not gonna put this in my computer at all. I'm not gonna ruin my Asus Crossfire Super Deluxe Hero 6 motherboard. So that is going back to Amazon. Not gonna catch it on fire. So we're gonna said might as well just spend a little bit more money, because this one here was about 89 bucks. 129. So yeah, we're gonna go for this one. So let's do a quick unboxing here so we can check it out. All right, so let me just open this bad boy up right here. Actually, let me zoom this out a little bit here, get some more. Let me see. Oops, let's go right there. Let's go right there. All right, so let's get this guy, open it up. So this is a few years old, obviously. This is not the latest generation. I'm not going to spend $2,000 for a video card. So this is quite a bit outdated. But the reason I really needed to use this one is because I'm using a Topaz video AI to enhance some old VHS tapes to make them 4K digitalized, and use the AI technology to enhance them. So it wasn't supported in my old card. I could have got an NVIDIA 1060, but those are like 200 and something. So this was more affordable. So basically in the box here, you got the basic stuff here. You know, how to achieve overclock and clock rate, and it's in a couple languages there. And it shows you how to do that. So how to overclock, I don't think I need to do that really. I'm not really going to use it for gaming much. Though I might use my Halo, play Halo that I just got recently from one of my buddies at work. And then here's a little warranty card, which is good. I get warranty on this. I don't know how many years, but I just a year warranty. Limited warranty. Of course, the China card, I'm not going to get none of that. The China clone. Anyway, ooh, this is nice, dude. So let's check out this bad boy. Will you look at that? It looks freaking fantastic. I love it. So let's move this bad boy out of the way here. Don't need all this other stuff here. Okay. So check it out. Check it out. Very professional, very high tech. Right here you can see XFX graphics right there. Very smooth. I don't know what size these are, but yeah, definitely high end. No El Cheapo. So you got a couple different ones here, which HDMI, DVI, or I forget what these are. What is these ones here? I forget which ones we got here. Well, I'm gonna keep this off because I think the case here doesn't tell me what they are. No, the box doesn't tell me. So I believe, I mean, of course, this is the I forget what this is all, DVI. DVI here, and we got the HDMI. Should be one of these here. Ugh. Wow, why did they got these suckers covered? I guess they don't want dust to go in there. Wow. I have to get a screwdriver. Pop that out. Wow. They got this really in there good. So I'm going to have to get a screwdriver and pop these suckers right here, because I can't get it with my fingernails. It's really tight in there because it goes in deep. Wow. Because I have 2 monitors. I don't have 3 monitors, so I don't need all these connected. but I'm gonna have to get a screwdriver because I can't get this out. It's really embedded in there. Wow. But basically it's got the three DVI. I forget the different kinds. I know that one's HDMI, DVI, and DisplayPort. So it's got different ones on there. I can't get those out right now. So basically that's pretty much it for these bad boys. If you can see here, not too much on here. Let me see over here maybe. Not too much information here that's needed. And it's, guess what? It's freaking made in China, like everything else in the world is. So that's that one there. And actually, let's go ahead. Oh, actually, where'd these come from? Okay, so, oh, it came off. Look at that. So there's the DVI. Wow, gets plain. Yeah. So it came off. So two of those came off. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and open this other one just so you can see what we got here. But I'm not going to install this stupid thing because I don't want my PC to blow up. Literally, read the reviews on these. I mean, they're cheap and all that, but they're junk. These things blow up. So these two, literally, I mean, look at, so that's, you know, pretty basic. This comes in static wrap. And yeah, let's look at this one here. Oh, so, you know, look at this thing. So El Cheapo, I mean, it's quite a size difference. And to see the backing, I mean, this is just bare. Yeah, just to fry your electronics right there. At least this one protects your back. This one, you know, I mean, you save money. It's only 89 bucks, but and what I've read on these ones too, they're basically pulling the these are mining gigs from China that they pretty much repackage them, and I don't think it's the full specs on these ones either. So this sucker's going back, El Cheapo. So that's going back. We're gonna put in the real deal McCoy, the basically XFX Radeon RX580 8GB model. So this should be really good. I'm should be happy with this. I'm installing it on my rig. And hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe. Until next time, peace out.